This is how you replace the windshield wiper on an Audi Q5. First thing you have to do is get in the car and put it in service mode. So with the car on, we turn it off. And then quickly you want to just tap down on the windshield wiper stalk. That'll bring the windshield wiper into service mode. Okay, next step is to go in front of the car, lift up on the windshield wiper. And then you can see that there's a little button on the side. What you're going to do is push it down and then lift up. It comes up pretty easily. I'll show you here. You just pull it up. It comes right out. And when you get the Bosch Icon wipers, I got both fronts. And then what you do is, if you take a look, they come with a number 2 adapter already on here, but that's not going to fit. It gets close, but it does rub up against the side over here, this little bump on the side. So what you want to do is you have to take this off and replace it with a number 4 adapter. The way that you take it off is not for the faint of heart here. What you're going to do is you're just going to lift up on this arrow and just keep lifting. It feels like you're going to snap it in half, but it will come off. You're just going to take this and just lift it off. What I do is I pry it up a little bit from the side to minimize any chances of it breaking. So if you just put your finger underneath the arrow and lift, it does come off just like that. Okay, so with the adapter off, you can see there's another adapter. It actually comes with several for different applications, but for the Audi Q5, you're going to replace it with the number 4. It's really easy to replace. There's an arrow on the front. You just line it up with the arrow on the wiper, and you just push it down. And you could hear it kind of snap in. All right. And then installation is the same way that it came off in reverse. So what you do is you just line it up in the grooves. And you can push down this little button, and you can see it just slides right on. Okay. Push this down, and then as soon as you start the car, you could tap on the windshield wiper stalk. The windshield wipers will go down, and you're all set. Good luck. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. You could purchase the replacement wipers via the affiliate link in the video description. Thank you.